Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. My name is Trix, and on this channel we share one little spark of life in each and every video. Mainly we hang out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and unbox subscription boxes together, share shopping hauls, review products, and share a love for all things Disney. If any or all of that sounds like something you'd be interested in seeing more of, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a new video. So if you are watching this on the day that it is uploaded, Happy Christmas! If you are watching this on the day it's uploaded and you don't celebrate Christmas, well, Happy Friday. I'm still wearing, so today, before we get into the unboxing, my outfit was quite Christmas tree inspired. And I decided, since I was filming this, and I thought since I'm uploading this on Christmas Day, I just assumed keep the headpiece on. I took the rest off because it was starting to get extremely scratchy. It had this all around the collar and around my sleeves, but I thought, oh, let me keep the headpiece on. It's cute. It's a something. Okay, so let's get into our unboxing. Today's subscription box is quite a different subscription box than I'm used to unboxing on this channel. So this is from Houseplant Shop, and I'm going to be linking their Cratejoy down below in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. This box, I'm not going to run down any prices for you or anything like that. It is a monthly subscription box though. The reason that I'm not running down any prices is because depending on what you choose, cost you X amount. So we have basic boxes like this, and they also have larger boxes, and really and truly the only thing that's different between the basic boxes and the larger boxes is the actual plant size. So this one is a 4-inch plant, and I think the larger size is a 6 or an 8-inch plant, if I'm not mistaken. Houseplant Shop does offer, which I thought was really great, they do offer pet-friendly options, which I've been looking at plant subscription boxes for a while, and a lot of them say we try, but we can't guarantee. But Houseplant box definitely does you a solid. They definitely do have, in both the smaller version and the larger version, they do have pet-friendly boxes. They also have air plants, succulents, things like that. Whenever I do try subscription boxes out, I do like to give it a 3-month scope. So if you're interested in seeing how the plants kind of evolve over the 3 months, not only how are they shipped here, but how do they look month after month, definitely hit that subscribe button. That way you will know each month when I upload a Houseplant Shop video. So these do come from California, by the by, and they came in a nice cardboard box like this. Let me open it up. From our house to yours, when you open up, you have your plant nicely wrapped, as well as some cards in here. These are some care cards. Oh, I got a magnet. Okay. A cute illustration, and it has a black kitty cat on it. And this reads, you can never have too many plants. All right, and a reminder to stay cozy, that indoor plants may not need to be watered as frequently during the cold winter months. And that is a really good reminder to put in here because I had no clue. I haven't had houseplants for a while because whenever I moved last year, for whatever reason, my houseplants died within the first few months of me moving here. I don't know if it was just like the move and them getting like acclimated to new like weather, even though I just moved like across the city. Yeah, so I'm not exactly sure if that was the case, but that is good to know. All right, and so my pet-friendly box houseplant is the Chinese money plant. So we have a picture of what a healthy plant is supposed to look like, which is always good to know. I'm always Googling things. Like before the houseplants died, I was constantly Googling, why does it look like this? So good to know what a healthy one should look like, as well as some information about the plant. So origins is Asia. This one likes temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees. When leaves droop, it's time to water, and they like bright indirect light, but do not expose them to direct sunlight. Right, and it also has common issues. So this plant has no serious insect or disease problem. Of course, root rot and stem rot can occur in soggy soil. And my plant came all nicely wrapped in some craft paper, okay? And this is what my Chinese money plant looks like. So it comes in a plastic container, which I'm totally going to keep it in this container for a while. And then once it grows a little more, I have some pots that used to hold my house plants that I will repurpose and replant this into there. So let me just give you a little close up. I find like there is one little droopy leaf. I may prune that off right there. So I might prune that off, or I might just see if it sort of revitalizes once it's watered. But overall, I think the plant, like, I'm really impressed that this came through the mail and it still looks this good. All right, so something that I would like your help with. I usually name plants because I believe that if you talk to plants, you sing to plants, etc. They definitely respond well to that. So your help, leave in the comments down below what I should name my plant. I will pick the one that tickles me the most, that tickles my fancy the most, and let you know that you have successfully named my plant. All right, so that was it for this month's Houseplant Shop subscription box unboxing. Be sure to tune in next month to see how the to-be-named houseplant, how it survived the entire month. And of course, to see what next month's houseplant is. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button, boop, and ringing that bell. That way you can join our community and join in all of the fun that we have here. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.